Today we are discussing on News and Interest widget in the Windows 10 21H1 update. News and Interest widget helps you stay up to date while staying in your flow. To quickly check in on the latest headlines, weather, sports and stocks, open News and Interest on the taskbar and get caught up with a glance. Then get back to what you were doing. Earlier, News and Interest widget was expected to launch with Windows 10 Sun Valley 21H2 update. But once Windows 10 has released its new update 21H1, it was informed that the News and Interest widget is releasing with the same. But many were informed, including me, that it is not available with 21H1 update. But now Microsoft has released a feature update to 21H1. Once you install the same, the widget will be available in your PC. You can find the same in taskbar. Currently it is showing the weather, 30 degrees Celsius temperature with rain shower. When you click on that, you can find top news stories, stocks details, football stories, traffic updates, also some trending news. You can manage your interest from the icon on the top right corner. When you click on the same, it will take you to the MSN website. From there you can customize your interests. Here I am selecting sports, coronavirus, technology, cricket, football, etc. etc. At the bottom you can find the selected interest. Then once you click on the News and Interest widget, you can find the contents are customized based on your selection. You can click on See More News to find more newses on your interest. In the upper right corner you can find 3 dots, which is the settings icon for this widget. You can find the connected Microsoft account there. Below that there is language and content option to choose your language. Below that you can find information cards. If you don't want any of them, you can disable it. Privacy dashboard helps you choose privacy settings for your data. Tips and tricks provides you with the tips for this widget. You may learn all the features of this tool from here. Finally, feedback to provide the reviews about this app. You can choose how News and Interest widget should look on your taskbar. Right click on the blank spaces of taskbar and select News and Interest. You can turn off this feature if you don't want to use it. Or else you can choose Show Icon and Text or Show Icon Only. Select any article to open a streamlined reading view, or select weather, news, sports or traffic to open a full page view with rich details like interactive animated maps and much more. So everyone, please have a look on this Windows 10 brand new feature and share your reviews. Thanks for watching.